There was a study done on instant gratification, and that study is famously known as marshmallow experiment. What is that marshmallow experiment? That marshmallow experiment is done to know how that instant gratification is making people to fail on their different parts of their life, maybe their career, education, or whatever it is there. And that marshmallow experiment is famous for its long-term study over the period of 30-40 years. They studied and then they concluded that instant gratification is one of the reason for failure in people's life. So this is the topic of today's discussion in this video. In this video I am going to share that marshmallow experiment study with you and how that is related with your fitness journey, and that instant gratification pushing you back on your failure in your fitness journey, and people give up due to this problem. And this is the topic for today's discussion. Before going ahead, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Vilas Fitbit, and do not before moving ahead, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Vilas Fitbit. Hi, I am Vilas Patel, your host for this video of this channel, and today we are going to discuss on instant gratification. So let's jump in there with the mind map. Okay, so here instant gratification. What is instant gratification? People expect overnight result. They put less efforts and expect more, and more complaining is there. That is what the instant gratification is coming all the way. And how that instant gratification is pushing you back, pushing you in the failure zone when it comes to the fitness journey. So before I'll tell what are the instant gratification of the fitness journey, let me share that marshmallow experiment study. So in 1960, the study did by some scientists. The study was they bring some students and put them in one room, and put one marshmallow in front of each student, each child. Sorry, and they said, "I will come back after 15 minutes, and whoever child eat that marshmallow in front of them, they will not get the second marshmallow. But whoever the child does not eat the marshmallow till I come back, then they will get the second marshmallow." So then researchers went out, locked the room for 15 minutes. So what happened in that period, 15 minutes? Some child just went on and eat that marshmallow. Some child stayed for some time, but they could not last for long, and after 5 minutes they also eat that. But there were some few child, they stayed for whole time. They restrained from eating that marshmallow and waited for the whole 15 minutes. And then after 15 minutes, when the researchers came in, they found that there were few child who did not eat marshmallow, and they got the second marshmallow. But this is not the complete part. This is the one part of the story experiment. What happened? They continued to study all those child for the next 40 years, and they found the children who did not eat marshmallow at that time and restrained them from eating for the total 15 minutes, and they delayed their gratification for that moment, they were the most successful people in their life. And those who ate all those marshmallow in front of them and did not restrain them from eating for that 15 minutes, they were not successful. So from this study, the conclusion came as the people who are not restraining themselves from instant gratification, they are not ready to wait and watch for the results, they are going to be fail on their in their career, in their education, maybe in their health, relations, and they are failing consistently. So that was the conclusion of that study. And in this video, the same thing is I'm going to share how that instant gratification making people to fail consistently in their so-called efforts. Why I'm saying so-called efforts? Because people are not putting everything in getting the fitness correct. So today you are seeing there are a lot many advertisements coming on your mobile, on TV, that you if you use this product, maybe there's food supplements are there, medicines are there, and different methods, or maybe kind of quick result diet or quick result programs are there. People are getting tremendous results in a shortest time. Yes, people are getting tremendous results in the shortest time, but at what cost? As soon as people stop taking that food supplements, that medicines, people start regaining their weight again, and even the worst cases, they are gaining more weight than the earlier. Just last month, one of my friend called me and she discussed over her weight loss, because she knew that I am also running some weight loss program and helping people to lose their weight for their lifetime, and they can sustain for their lifetime also. So she called me and she shared her story. So she said 1 year back, she took some food supplements, and she lost 17 kg in 1 year. Yes, she lost 17 kg in 1 year, but as soon as she stopped consuming all those products, gradually she started to gaining back her weight, and now she is overweight by 20 kg. She lost 17 kg with those food supplements, but once she stopped that, what happened? She gained back 20 kg, 3 kgs more than what she was earlier. So there are many products in the market which are promising you that if you use these products, if you use these medicines, if you use this diet, you will reduce your weight in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months instantly, and you will get the result. But the real story is, once you stop all those things, you will again come back on the same situation where you had started earlier. And this is not a sustaining, because your lifestyle is not like that. Your habits are not changed. You are still living the same lifestyle which you were living from the last many years. So what you are living from the many years cannot get you the next level which you want. Correct? So if you want to go to the next level, you have to build some habits. You have to build a sustaining lifestyle once you lose the weight, so that you will not get back again. So that's why, my friends, try to avoid instant gratification, because it is not going to last long for your lifetime. Rather, in a quick result method, you will lose your muscle strength, you will lose your bone strength, and that will be more dangerous than remaining fat. Remaining fat is itself a major problem. Obesity is the major problem, and people are spending a lot of their hard-earned money, lakhs and lakhs of rupees they are spending on treating the obesity related diseases. Already they are spending, but they are not taking actions today by just moving their body for 30 minutes a day, and by building some good habits on their nutrition part, and that's why people are getting overweight and obese. So instant gratification is one of the major reason in your failure in your fitness journey and losing the weight. So I hope today you have learned a lot about the instant gratification, about the marshmallow experiment. You can Google it. You will get the detailed experience study on this marshmallow experiment, and you can learn a lot. Hope I delivered a good content to you on this instant gratification, and you are now aware how instant gratification is dangerous for you or in your fitness. So if you like this content, please please like to this video. So if you like this video, so if you like this video, please comment on this video, like and share with your friends, family, and let them also get aware. Also, if you want to join my program, from the next Sunday I am starting the 5-day WhatsApp class. You can join that, and in that 5 days I will make you to start. I will build that confidence that you can also lose your weight naturally without consuming any products, and just building some good habits throughout your day, and you will lose weight naturally, easily, and that will be sustainable for your lifetime. So on that note, I'm signing off here, and we will meet again in the next video of this series. Till then, bye bye.